My gosh, my friend, here it is, the magical adventure retreat box from 3 Craft Chicks. Let's open it together. Let's go. Oh my gosh, here we go. I just opened it and this is what it looks like. Oh my god, this is so exciting. Look at my lanyard. You guys, if you decide one day you decide that you're gonna do it and you're gonna go and join a 3 Craft Chicks, either be it like an in-person or virtual, you're going to love the fact that everything is personalized for you. They give you more than what you need to accomplish the project, and everything is absolutely phenomenal. Oh my gosh, look, the magical adventure, Feb 17th to 19th is the retreat. And do you see that? Do you see the Disney castle charm? Oh my gosh. If it's your first time, they're going to send you a bracelet. And then eventually, after you keep on attending, you're going to have all the charms that represent the retreat. So it's so thoughtful. It's absolutely amazing. It's the best, I promise. So we get our lanyard so that, you know, if you are in the retreat, in-person retreat, this is where I put my, like my hotel key. Right there. And then, you know, people, you know, as you get to know people, they're going to know your name. So much fun. And then in person, they have a schedule for in person and they have a schedule for virtual. And then it happens at the same time. I'm so excited. And this one is the kickoff. So let's check it out. So I'm doing something new. I'm sorry about the lighting, but I'm filming in the kitchen. I'm just trying to see if I can use other spots in my house other than my craft room. But this one is a kickoff. Oh my gosh, look. As the first bonus, of course, you get a doodle pop. Oh my gosh, so cute. You get that bonus already in a cute trim right here. You guys ready? Let's open it. It's called a kickoff. Look at that cute bag. It's very spacious. And then it says kickoff swag de-stash bundle. Oh my god. I'm so excited. I can see fairy garden. I can see this and that Christmas. This one is opening right here, so I'm going to open it that way. And then we have a kickoff make and take, which is a tag banner make and take. And that's by Lauren, and you're provided with all of the ingredients and everything, like the instructions and everything. I'm so excited to make this. Oh my gosh. So everything is coming out of the package. It's so much fun. So you get this washi. Ooh, sorry. Sorry about the barking. I have the door open because it's a beautiful day outside. But my neighbor's dog. I hope you can see the washi. Let me show you. Ooh, they gave us 3 washies. That's amazing. Look at that beautiful washi. Isn't that pretty? And then you get a gingham bubblegum limeade. Wow, look at this. You get a 4x6 snap flip book in red, which is like coordinating with the Disney. And then let's see what's inside. Let's check out what's inside here. And then they have crushed velvet brads. I'm gonna lay that down right there. Ooh, more doodle pops. Oh my gosh. You get the bird doodle pop. You get the fairy garden doodle pop. So cute. I lovingly named this one Lexi. And then this one is red, which you can use for Valentine's or any time of the year, and obviously you can use it for your Disney albums. Right there. I'm going to put it right here so you can see the details. Right there. So pretty. And then what else do we have? What else do we have in here? We have the Bella Boulevard orange puffy stickers. So fun. So fun. I can see simple stories, sweet talk, bits and pieces. Amazing. We can use for Valentine's. And then Star Bratties. So cute. And this is perfect for Mermaid Month. And then we get another doodle pop. So we have like 4 doodle pops so far. And we're just opening the kickoff box. So this one is a token. It's perfect as a charm for your projects. And the paper frills are absolutely so much fun to play with. You can put this on absolutely everything. Oh my gosh, this is one of my favorites. One of my favorite lines is this one. It's like Sweet Summer. Yes, Sweet Summer. Let me show you what it has, okay? Sorry about the glare, my friend. But I'm trying like a different spot in my house. But this one is a mini icon stickers, and you're gonna love this collection. It's absolutely so cute. Everybody has the most adorable face. Sweet summer mini icon stickers. How fun is this? And then let's see. Let's check out the last washi. Looks like another Valentine washi. Looks like a ticket washi. Okay, let's see. Let's check it out. Let's put it right here. Ooh, tickets. Oh, that's pretty. That's so pretty, isn't it? So we got 3 washies. And then we have a mini icon sticker pack, like an entire pack of it. We have an icon sticker from Fairy Garden. Oh my gosh. The cutest ever, ever, ever. Wow, this is packed. The stash bundle. And then let's look at the 12 by 12 papers, my friend. Okay, so we have this, which is a milk and cookies, this and that cardstock stickers. Isn't that awesome? And this is, my friend, this is just the kickoff. Wow, I love this one, Cozy Days. Oh my goodness, Cozy Days from Simple Stories. One of my favorite collections from Simple Stories. And you're getting the entire thing. What do we have here? Envelopes? Wow. I think this is from Vicky Booten. Yes, it is. From her Evergreen and Holly collection. And look at the envelopes. Isn't that absolutely marvelous? So much fun to play with. My friend, the next one is from the Color Vibe collection. This is so beautiful. I'm obsessed with wood grain, to be honest. And the back part is like sheet ledger. Just regular sheet. Oh my gosh. Lots of love. Hello. Hello, gorgeous. Absolutely super cute, and clouds in the back. This one is from the North Pole collection. Oh, I didn't see this collection. And you know, I love the blue and everything. Sweaters, cut-aparts. These are strips that you can add to everything. I love using these as like sentiments, ready-made sentiments. Then you can cut this up. And then this is the back portion. Wow, paper from Fairy Tale. Fairy Tales is an old Doodlebug collection from 2017. And it's hard to get any more of these papers. And I'm so glad I have the unicorn one. I remember buying the entire collection when it was released in 2017. This one is from Photoplay, and it says crafting with my nomies. So cute. And though that's the back portion. Winter Wonderland. Wow, we get a variety of 12 by 12. Wow, wow, wow. Winter Wonderland. I'm going to add this to my stash of Winter Wonderland. So cool. And then this one is from Simple Stories, from the Good Vibes collection. This was released 2 summers ago. I remember when 2021, yes. I remember we were in, I think, Monterey. We were in Monterey when this collection released, and I made a mini album. Of course, the barbecue collection. I'm so glad that they give you so much. How amazing are the colors? Oh, so cute. Hello, Summer. Hello, Summer cut-aparts. You can definitely make a lot of cards or mini albums with this collection. Oh, wow. Under the Sea. Paper from Under the Sea. And this is perfect for Mermaid Month. Another Hello Summer page. So they go together. This one and this one, they belong to the same. So cute. This one is from Splendor. The quality. Can you hear that? That's amazing. And this is the back. Gorgeous. This one says Dad Life. Stripes. Easter. Easter from Simple Stories. And that's the back portion. So we're getting a lot. And this is just a kickoff. So let's go to the main kit, my friend. Oh my god, friend. We forgot to look at the kickoff make and take. Let's look at it together. I want to see. Oops, sorry. I still have like the throat thing. I'm so sorry about this. So it's a tag banner make and take by Lauren. And this is what it's supposed to look like. And then let's see what are the ingredients. So we have nine of these. So I made it a little bit further away so you can see absolutely everything in the make and take. And we have this beautiful tool. There's 3 tool colors like pink, yellow, and orange. That's so special. And then we have these. We have the doodle twine. We have multiple shipping tags in 2 different sizes. And then the glassine bag is also super special. Put it back in there. Isn't this so cute? So it's like a variety of and Lauren is gonna teach us how to do this on the kickoff. How fun. So cute. And I love this collection. This is called Over the Rainbow. I love it. And then they give us many more. We have these papers. So cute. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Oh my gosh. And this is the back portion. Love the stripes. I use this for like the cover of the notepad. And then I'm going to show you the back portion of these. So cute. Love it, love it, love it. So I guess I'm probably going to use this one. This one. I don't know what to use because this is so cute anyway. And then they give you NEENAH Solar White cardstock to play with as well. I just love that. That's amazing. I'm so excited for the make and take. So next, now it's official. We're going to look at the actual box. My friend, if you haven't been to a 3 Craft Chicks virtual retreat or in-person retreat, this is what your retreat boxes look like. It is so amazing. With one low cost, you get everything set up to you. You have a Facebook page to go to, private access to all the classes, and you can go back over and over if you didn't finish the project. It's going to be there on YouTube in the Facebook group for you to kind of review, that's absolutely amazing. So convenient. So anytime you feel like doing it, anytime, even if it's Christmas time, you can do the Valentine retreat projects, So let's look at it. Very important Facebook event. Remember to request access to the Facebook page if you haven't already been added. The name is A Magical Adventure Retreat, in person and virtual, Feb 2023. Your retreat is under here. We will open the daily special deliveries on the specific day. Reminder, please don't post pictures of the box contents or daily specials until after they've been unboxed in our lives. Let the adventure begin. Okay. So I'm going to separate the special delivery boxes. Like this one, special delivery, I'm not gonna open that. I'm gonna open that on day 2. I'm so excited. And look at this beautiful, beautiful canvas bag. Perfect for Valentine's Day. And let's see what we have. They give us snacks too, you guys. It's definitely like so amazing. They give you snacks. So if you're on your table, you can eat this while you're crafting. So you're not going to be hypoglycemic. You get Milano dark chocolate, some skinny popcorn, 100 calories per bag. Ooh. Rice Krispie treats. I love that. That's my kids' favorite. Nick is probably going to ask for that. And Lexi's going to ask for the Milano. And the trail mix, probably my husband. And then this one is definitely going to be mine with tea or coffee. Thank you, Michelle. Thank you, Lauren. The snacks are awesome. And the bag is for me. I can definitely reuse this. So cute. Are you ready? Are you ready? I'm ready. Okay. So this one is add-on goodie bag and make and take. Oh my gosh. So cute. Am I going to open this now? Add-on day goodie bag. Okay. Let's check it out. Let's just check it out. Why not? Okay. Let me move the box a little bit further. And you get this beautiful envelope. Okay. Let's see what it has. Oh my gosh. It has an entire 6x6. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Woo. Okay. I'm going to put this away. Give me a sec. Friend, let's look at the contents of this add-on. It says add-on day goodie bag and make and take. So first of all, you get an entire 6x6 paper pad of Cute and Crafty. Like, who does not love Cute and Crafty? But I'm going to open it just in case you haven't seen it. It is absolutely marvelous, and you're probably going to love it because you're probably crafty. And it has a lot of cuteness inside this. Oh my gosh. So we're going to skim through really quick because potentially you may have seen this. But if not, this is for you. Look how cute. Cute, cute papers. Absolutely adorbs. I'm gonna do sideways so you can see absolutely everything. Strips and hearts. Cute papers. Adorable, adorable. Isn't that beautiful? Love the colors, just makes me so happy. And the cut aparts, come on. This sewing machine is what inspired me to make my 3D sewing machine. This is what inspired me to use my typewriter. Like, I tried to 3-5 most of these, and this one also, and this one. I have a planner that's shaped like this. So inspiring. Absolutely, absolutely. Inspiring, inspiring, inspiring. And then that's it. This is the last page. Look how beautiful. My goodness. So we get that. And then this is a frame album. I think I have this frame from IKEA. For sure. This, you get your twine. You get the ring. This one is a ring that's given to me by my mom, and it came from my great-great-great-grandmother during the First World War. My great-great-great-grandfather was a tax collector, and I think this was given as a payment for taxes. I don't know. That's the story that I heard. But just in case you're wondering, we get some cut aparts from the 12x12. Loads of fun. Totes adorbs. You are cut above the rest. Planner girl. So cute. And then flip frame album. Right there. Has a white 2 cut aparts. And then it tells you. Oh, look how fancy. And this is our template. Looks like it. How amazing. Wow. And you get this one too. Because I have this frame from IKEA. And then you get all the papers that you need. You get the NEENAH Solar White cardstock and the template, so you can add additional. You get this paper. Wow, this is absolutely amazing. Right there. Petite prints. Not only that, you get papers from the collection. Beautiful colors of Cute and Crafty. Gorgeous. Textured cardstock. Some cut aparts and some more cut aparts. Look how pretty that is. So that is part of our kit. I just love that everything is so well thought of when you go to a 3 Craft Chicks retreat. Like, absolutely everything. They thought about it. And not only do they give you like all the ingredients, but more. Like, you know you're going to get bonus projects because they give you more than what you need. And looks like we have special, super special acrylic products right here. Let's open. Ooh! Like Christmas morning. Oh my gosh. No way. Oh my gosh. This is so special. Look how pretty. Look how small this scissors. The acrylic scissors. Isn't that absolutely marvelous? My goodness gracious. That is so cute. Oh my god, Michelle and Lauren. This is so adorable. Oh my gosh. Okay, so let's open the rest of our box. I'm going to put this back right here and I'll give you a pause. Okay, friends, so I took it out of the box because, yes, it's too big to lug back and forth. So this one, dear friends, welcome to our Magical Adventure virtual retreat. We're so excited that each one of you can join us on this full weekend of fun and creativity. Looks like we have our instructors, Cynthia, who's the owner of Doodlebug. Lael Konkar, amazing. Lael, she's the owner of Lael by Mail. And of course, Lauren, who is the daughter of Michelle. They're going to be our instructors for this event. Weekend instructions, item number. Yes, they're good. If you're going to be part of like the special sales, if you're part of the retreat, my friend. Okay, this is the schedule. I love having the schedule because when you're in the hotel, you're like, okay, what are we gonna do? What's our lunch break and everything? When do we start? So excited. And then there's a field trip to the co-op, to the coop, group A, group B. How fun! Oh my god, I'm so excited. In August, you guys. So there's all the days. In August, Me, Rachel, Alicia, Yvette, and Pia are all gonna go to Washington and attend the in-person retreat. I'm so excited. So excited. I know that the in-person is already closed. They don't have any more space, but you can sign up to be on the wait list if you wanted to be there. But I know they have a few virtual kits left. So, yep. Oh, this is what we're talking about for the flip frame make and take. So that's what we were looking at earlier. And then you get a snap showcase. Like this is where you put your photos. Special delivery number 3. We're gonna set that aside. Special delivery day 1. We're gonna set that aside. I'm not gonna ruin the surprise. This is a main chick make and take post-it note holder, and acrylic frame is in the box. So this one I think is partnered. We're gonna look at that separate, okay? Should I move you just a little bit higher? Oh my god, look at all this. Oh my gosh, can I look at these? It says Magical Essentials. Can we look at that? Oh my god, I see a stamp from Mail by Mail. Oh my god. I'm just going to take a sneak peek. We're just taking a sneakity peeky. What? Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Let's do this. Let's do it. Oh my goodness. So this one, let me show you. We're going to start with one. And I think let's set this aside for now. Okay, let's look at the Magical Essentials kits first. Okay, friend, because wowzers. Amazing. I wonder what's inside here. So cute. What? Oh my goodness. Oh my god, this is absolutely adorable. Look at this. You get a mirror. You get a wand as a princess. This is absolutely so cute. You get a mirror. I don't want to show my face, but that's what it looks like. And look at this beautiful tool. And, okay, I'm not going to undo that because that's going to take me forever. Isn't this so special, my friend? Oh my god. I swear, 3 Craft Chicks have the bestest ever retreat boxes. This one is a Say Cheese Fantasy at the Park. Look how cute. Oh my gosh, this is so adorable. Everything. Oh, what a well thought of like essential pack for the princess in us, okay? For all the princesses, we have our mirror, we have our magic wand, and of course, we have our ephemera. That is absolutely adorable. I'm gonna set that aside. Next, we're gonna look at the main chick make and take post-it holder. The acrylic frame is in the box. So let's look at what's inside. Oh my goodness. So this is the acrylic frame. Okay, super cute post-it holder, easy peasy. Change out 4x6 papers to coordinate with the season. White mat is included, and then you're gonna put the post-it. So this is what it looks like. This is the goal. Oh my god, this is genius. So my friend, all you need to do, for example, it's winter. This is what you put inside. It's February right now, so they provide you all the months. Okay, let's see. This is for March. That's for March. April, or you can do this. May, or you can do this. Oh my god. June. Ah, so cute. July. August. Oh my god, yes. September. October. November. And December. This is so cute. I can't. Okay, so since it's February, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this inside. I think I'm going to take the picture of the baby. Oh my god, this is absolutely adorable. And a post-it holder that is interchangeable. Wows. Okay, this one I'm going to put within it. Okay, wait, sorry. Okay, sorry, I'm taking much of your time. So I'm gonna insert this right here. And this is where the post-it would be. And they even give you Post-it. Isn't that the sweetest thing ever? My gosh. Okay, I'm gonna remove. Oopsies. Will you look at that? How awesome. How awesome is this in your craft desk, in your office? And then you can put a ribbon. You can put a ribbon right here and your make and take is done. This is so cute. This is absolutely adorable. I'm not very good at bow making. My mom is definitely an expert at the bow business. Isn't that so cute? Oh my gosh. And they give you all the months of the year. Everything is in here. How sweet and thoughtful. I love it, Michelle. I love it, love it, love it so much. This is going to be in my craft room for sure. Okay, next. Oh my gosh. Are you ready? Are you ready for this? Let's go. My friend, I think this is the class that the owner of Doodlebug will be teaching us. Oh my gosh, this. Oh my god, even get bonus cards. Oh my goodness. And then all the cutting instructions are here. And it tells you like what paper and how to cut it. That's amazing. Wow, wow, wow. I'm so excited. I'm so excited for this. I have Disney pictures and look, pattern, sprinkles. Oh my god, this is so cute. This is gonna be a fun class. I'm so excited. Beach template tag. Oh my goodness. Let's look at the products. We have the black scallop washi. That's always a must. You get a doodle pop, the camera doodle pop. You get the sun doodle pop. You get the shape sprinkles in stars and hearts, and of course in the Disney colors, of course, my friend. And then it says, "Don't peek. Let's open together in class." How fun! And look at these, you guys. Isn't this the most marvelous-est thing ever? It's cute chocolates in the Disney colors that match the collection so ever perfectly. I love that. And then looks like February, looks like a tag. Looks like we're going to be needing this for something. So I'm going to set that aside. And then the entire pack of 106 pieces of Fun at the Park odds and ends. And the entire pack of the Chit Chat Fun at the Park. So excited about that. We're going to put that right here. And then we have 6 envelopes. Oh no, 4 envelopes for the cards. You get a puffy Best Beetle Black sticker from the alphabet soup. I love this. You're gonna love it. And then wait, let me show you. Let's set this aside. So we have this paper that's gonna be part of the kit. This paper. So they're gonna Miss Cynthia is gonna show us how to do this in class. Don't worry. And you have all the papers. Oh my goodness. Okay, having trouble. Look at that. Stripes. Look at that. Yellow. Amazingness. That's the paper. Polka dot red. Hearts. This is pretty much the entire collection, to be honest. And here's another red one. Some petite prints in blue. There's 2 of that. And then there's this journaling page. Oh, there's 3 of this journaling page. Looks like we're going to be needing a lot of that and a lot of 12 by 12 paper. Wow, wow, wow. Oh my gosh. Unbelievable. We get this. That is amazing. Oh my gosh. This is going to be a fun class. You do not want to miss this. This is going to be on Friday. I am so excited. I'm just absolutely excited. I'm floored. Guys, this is just one kit. I'm just saying. This is just one kit and one class. And how much product do you get? This is just, I promise you, 3 Craft Chicks has the bestest retreat boxes in the industry. How fun is this? Okay, so we're gonna go to the next kit, which is Lael's Disney Traveler's Notebook Kit. I'm so excited to show you that. Okay, friends, so the next kit we're looking at is the class That's going to be taught by Miss Lael Konkar. I'm so excited. And these are the ingredients that we have in our kit. This is so amazing. This red polka dot with, ooh, look at these paper clips. This is just so uber special. I love, love, love it. Look at that. We have the heart paper clip, the gold classic. Oh my God, how cute is this? And then the Mickey. Oh my goodness, that is adorable. So exciting. And then there's more ephemera on here. There's a ticket. And then it shows you like how to put it right here in your planner. Isn't that special? You get the instructions, you get the supplies right there, and it tells you how to do it, all the instructions. And I'm so glad Lael is gonna be there to show us like how-tos and everything. And it even shows you the cutting guide. So I'm so excited to attend this class. Oh wow, look at these. You get NEENAH Solar White cardstock. Oh my God, this is in my cart, you guys. This is so amazing. I wanted to buy this. This is in my cart from 3 Craft Chicks. So this is amazing. This is amazing. You get a stamp set for your traveler's notebook. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. And then you get a traveler's notebook that we're going to be decorating. You get a puffy alphabet, black puffy alpha with numbers from Felicity Jane. I'm so sad that Felicity Jane is closing their doors. And then Say Cheese at the Park, and this is from Simple Stories. Let's take a look. So it looks like this one is a cardstock stickers, the 12 by 12 cardstock stickers, beautiful colors. The black polka dot. And this one is the castle right there. Ooh, we're getting cut aparts. I haven't seen this collection in person. I love the blue. I have not seen this collection in person. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. So cute. And then this one is park itinerary with red polka dots. So that's going to be part of our kit. And Lael is going to teach us how to do that. Looks like the black polka dot will be the cover of our traveler's notebook. I'm so excited about that, and Lael is such an amazing teacher. So we're gonna move on to the next kit. Are you ready? Let's go. Okay, my friend, this next class is going to be taught by the amazing Lauren, and this is called the Say Cheese File Folder Mini Album class. I love, love, love it. Oh my God, I love Lauren's class. Is absolutely awesome. The last time I made a file folder class, I was in a file folder class, was my first time, and it was the Halloween one. And I'm so excited because it turned out so cute. And they give you all the instructions and the cutting guides to make it so much easier for you. But of course, you want to do it with the instructor. And of course, you get sample washies. That's amazing. You get some twine. And then looks like these are Mickey's. Special Mickey Mouse. Ephemera. Oh my God, look how cute that is. And it's all provided for us, my friend. Some twine, and look at itty bitty paper clip. You even get this polka dotted tool, of course. Looks like Disney. Isn't this so special? I think it's so special. You get a glassine bag, one black and one standard glassine. So marvelous. I'm just setting it aside pretty. And then you get the 2 clips right there for your file folder. You get different sizes for your shipping tags. This one is very sturdy. I don't know what this is for, but it's very sturdy black cardstock right there. And then this one looks like a lunch bag. I don't know what we're gonna do with that, but it's very exciting. You get 2 red file folders. This is a cute collection, Lauren. Oh my goodness. And you get another 12 by 12 cardstock sticker from the Say Cheese at the Park collection. This is so cute. I never thought of getting this collection, but man, maybe I should. And then, so looks like we have these patterns that coordinate perfectly with the collection right there. So cute. More papers, and Lauren tells us what specific paper we're going to use in class. Right there. Then this one has all the circles, and this is the back portion. And then you get multiple sheets of NEENAH Solar White cardstock, which is awesome. It makes it sturdy. And then look at the tags. These tags are so beautiful. Isn't that amazing? I've never seen this collection in person. And I love the blue. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Look at this beautiful cut apart. Isn't this amazing? We're going to go to Disneyland in July when we visit my in-laws in Miami. So we're going to go to Disney World. So definitely we'll be making something. Look at that. We got some Disney tickets, but it expired during the pandemic. So cute cut aparts. I'm so excited about this album. So I think this is going to be the album that I'm going to put photos for our trip to Disney. I'm so excited. So excited. So I think this is going to be it. So next we're going to discuss the last kit, which is Lauren's My Happy Place layout kit. Okay, let's do it. My friend, so the next one is a My Happy Place layout. Let's open it up and see what the kit has. Oh my gosh, I'm seeing the Chit Chat, the entire pack of the Chit Chat for My Happy Place. It's absolutely gorgeous. And I love the addition of the black. That makes it so amazing. Looks like this is our instructions. It gives you a rundown of absolutely everything you need to do to be able to create this as our finished project. I love that. Thank you so much. And then you get the paper frills. Looks like we're going to be needing the bubble blue paper frills. Then let's look at what we have right here. We have the My Happy Place like sentiment, like the strips, the 12 by 12 strips right there. Okay, I'm going to put it in order. And then we have all these, the necessary small pieces for us to be able to build this class, the album. I mean the 12 by 12 layout. The red right there. And then this one is so cute. Isn't this so pretty, the colors? And of course the yellow is one of my favorite. And I love this paper. I love this paper. Look at the back. Isn't it so beautiful, like the scallop? I'm so excited to attend this class because 12 by 12 scrapbooking was my first love ever. So see, you're gonna make that, and then the next page is like all this particular part. I'm so excited. We're gonna make that together. This is gonna be so much fun. If you can, take a look at joining an in-person retreat, even just one time, my friend, because it's absolutely worth your time. Everything is absolutely amazing. And the price point is absolutely phenomenal. For everything that you get, they have an amazing price point. So let's proceed to the last one, which is the hashtag challenge accepted. I'm going to show you everything that you have in the challenge accepted kit. And then, because they always have a challenge accepted, and they give you like a lot of product, and then it's up to you how you're going to create with it. I'm so excited. Let's do this. This one looks like from a Simple Stories collection called Into the Wild. I see 12 by 12. All you need to do is share your project to receive a ticket for a special drawing. My goodness, I can see foam stickers. So cute. So cute. This would be like a baby album or a toddler album. And then the journal bits from Into the Wild. Look at that bear, and the penguin is so cute. And then looks like we're given the cardstock stickers, the 12 by 12 cardstock stickers. Look how adorable this is. Like, you know, like a trip to the zoo maybe with your toddler. We get the cut aparts. Oh my God, these are so cute. These are so cute. I love it. Look at the penguin. Ah, so cute. And then this is a stripes. Another paper from the collection. And then the cut aparts. So cute. The floral. And then the yellow. I love that. This would be so cute for like the front of a card. Oh my God, I love the cut aparts. My goodness. Oh, so cute. The tag portion. And you can definitely cut these to add to your ephemera. I'm so excited to create with this. Crocodiles or alligators maybe. elephants, rhinos, and hippos. Then this is the jungle portion. I think they've given us the entire collection, to be honest. Like, this is the entire thing. Look how cute. Oh, so cute. The journaling elements. I love that for your, even for your pocket size scrapbooking. So cute and beautiful. This is amazing. I think I'm going to make a mini album out of this. Wow. So that is the challenge accepted this time, this year. All you need to do is create something, which is absolutely phenomenal thing to do. And then use the hashtag and you're gonna be part of the drawing. Isn't that amazing? So anyway, friend, I hope you enjoyed looking into the new retreat box for this month, February, from 3craftchicks.com. I applaud Michelle and Lauren and Jim for putting this amazing box together. As always, they are the best in the industry, and I absolutely adore their retreat boxes. It's absolutely phenomenal. I'm going to put a link to everything below. If you want to, you can join us in the August. I know there's a summer one, and then the August one is a summer one, and that's what we're going to go attend in person. But I know that there's some slots for the virtual if you want to join us with that. There's no more in person because it's already fully booked for the August. I think another retreat would be in November, which is a Christmas one, which is like a heavily attended one as well. But anyway, thank you so much. I'll put a link to everything below. And of course, as always, stay safe, stay strong, be kind to one another, and have a wonderful crafty day. This is Christian signing off. Bye, my friend.